In this video, I'm going to walk you through the process of creating and what to do for an invite by email campaign. So I'm going to just do a new one. This is what you would do. Name it invite by email. I'm going to say number 2 because I already have one. I would do the empty campaign and create the workflow. Hit the plus. Way down here it says invite person by email. That's the one we want. You are going to pick the middle one here. You don't need to do anything except right here where it says get email from linked helper email finder. That is a yes. I would also add one last thing, and that is filter contacts to first level. So that will just successfully tell you who actually connected. And then it's very similar to everything else we do. Where we add more, we do a search page. We tell it exactly what to do. I'm just going to say realtor. And people. It will be a second connection because we're trying to meet new people or invite people by email that we don't know, strangers. A lot of realtors in my second connection. But let's just pick a location. I'm going to say Atlanta, Georgia. Same thing as the usual campaign. Start collecting. I'm going to stop it fairly quickly. My Mac is graying it out quite a bit. But as you see, it's collected 6 already. I'm going to I'll let it go one more round here, but then I'm going to stop it. It's collected 16. Go back to the campaign. You'll see they're in the queue. You can take a look at everybody if you want to get rid of people. Again, as we usually do. Other than that, you start the campaign. And I'll just make this a little clearer. Let me get off the LinkedIn so it's clearer for you. Now it's going to Michael Nolan. Actually goes fairly quickly. It's going to Michael Nolan to see if he has an email. It did invite him on the green. As you see, if they don't have an email in their profile, this will end up being gold and say couldn't collect it, and that is it. It will put a message in the connection, and that is, I would like to you to join my professional network on LinkedIn. There's no way of getting around that. We can't change that. And that is pretty much it. If it doesn't, no problem. If it doesn't, the person doesn't have an email, it just will not send them anything in a connection. Okay, hopefully that covers everything fairly well.